Oh, okay.
Very nice.
Ew.
That one.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. Couldn't see it because the sun was in his eyes.
Babe,
What?
there is like 4 lights.
Yeah, look at where the sun is. Sunshine.
If you're looking straight ahead, you'll still be able to see the light.
I don't care. I'm going to edit it into green light.
No, babe, it's still red.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
you couldn't see because the sun was in your eyes. Hang on.
Oh, I just guessed.
Oh, terrible.
Shut up. Why would you do that? Why have you made it difficult for everyone? What's a knobhead? Wow. How special have you got to be on a Monday morning?
Stop texting. Stop it.
That's not much better.
And the first one is going to be...
What?
The man on the radio goes, stop texting, stop it. And the man behind is texting.
Oh, right. Perfect timing then, yeah?
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music
She's
on.
got a boyfriend a present for Christmas, look.
Honestly.
I want one of them. I want a pink one.
In that Henrietta or something?
I don't know, but I want a pink one.
You want a pink little hoover?
Yeah, it's going to have to be one of those wet and dry ones, though.
Why? Ah!
Good number plate spacing.
Oh dear.
I will do the nice thing. I will reverse back in so she can come in, even though it's the BMW i5, whatever, stupid, ridiculous car driver. I will be the nice person today. You're welcome.
Oh, that's a big thumbs
That
up.
was. You see the size of his smile as well.
Oh, I know.
I feel so much better now.
You can see his gleaming white teeth.
Right, now we're going to pick on. That is probably not very safe, I don't think.
What, him staying on there?
Yeah.
Mama can go faster.
But you move that away from me, so thank you. Thank you.
You bloody bastard bitch! You bloody fucking mother bloody fuck bitch!
Oh! Oh!
Bloody fuck you!
Second one now.
Bench you bloody! You bloody!
Oh dear!
Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.
Oh dear!
That's the second little fight now.
That wasn't a fight.
The little fight.
That was pathetic. That wasn't a fight.
That was a little fight.
I'm scared. Scared. Scared.
You're okay, you're fine.
I'm scared.
You're okay.
Okay.
You're okay.
I'm in the lines.
Yeah, take your time, it's okay.
Okay.
Nice turning.
Nice.
Well
Was
done.
that good?
Brilliant.
So you speed up a bit now.
Yeah, just a tad.
Bell end.
He is a bit close though, isn't he? You're a lorry driver, that is.
Left blind spot, left mirror, middle mirror, front, right mirror, other mirror, mirror. Go.
What?
That's what you got to do. And then pull away slowly.
Who's got to do that? The lorry driver or you?
That's what you do when you're driving.
Oh yeah, blind spot, mirror. Other mirror, right mirror, blind spot. He's out of bed and his room's nice and tidy. I told him, I said, you've got to tidy it all up. I said, there's not allowed to be no dust in there.
I feel so bad now. I feel really
Why?
bad. I forced him to stop on a crossing. I feel so bad. I feel so bad.
Well no, he should have stayed back.
I'm a savage. I am a savage.
Well no, because even if you went that little bit forward, The rest of his lorry would still be on the crossing.
I know.
You need to kind of judge it then, don't you?
I'm trying to be savage today.
Yeah, but he should judge it himself. That's not your fault. It's his.
Nah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
That's one thing I hate is going right next to lorries on a roundabout.
Why? This is how you do it, look. Get out before they go. He's not a problem anymore, is he?
Well, no, I knew that.
There you go then.
I just hate it. I always think
If
I'm
you're
going to
behind
crash
them-
into the side of them.
If you're behind them, stay behind them.
Yeah.
If you can quickly pull away and get in front of them, do that. Because then they can see you. And you're nowhere near them. Okay?
Yeah, but what if they're already on the roundabout and you're in the next lane to them?
Stay back.
Yeah, I suppose, yeah. Well, it just scares me. Lorries on a roundabout. Oh, Jesus Christ, man, that scared the shit out of me, that one.
Driving lessons with Benji and Alexi.
We were on the roundabout, yeah.
Yeah.
And then they came into view. So they got two choices. They wait or they crash into us. Okay? If you're on the roundabout and someone decides to just drive into the side of you.
So narrow.
Well, if you're already going round and somebody flies out where you can't see them and they drive into the side of you, that's...
Well, that's dangerous, surely.
Yes. Press the button. Dickhead. Sit down. So this is like the dodgy corner, you can't really see much. So here you just crawl around. Can you see?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah, we're clear.
Right. We are now committed, yeah?
This is our road.
This is our... If
Where are we going for this roundabout?
We're going left. So if anyone decides to come up, then you make them reverse back, basically. All the way to the right, look. Good?
Good.
Okay.
Oh, we're going out on this road. Where are we going now?
So you're going to stop at the end, because you can't see anything that's going on, so you usually have to stop.
Clutch and brake, isn't it?
Okay, right? So get on the brake now. So you just slowly go. Press down. Right. Get forward a little bit. Just roll forward.
With the clutch?
No, just roll off the brake a little bit until you get to that white line. Forward a bit more. Right. Now you can see all the way up the road and you can see all the way the other way, yeah? He's letting you go. So look that way. Go. It's good.
What do you do?
Press that button.
He let us go.
No, this is the perfect example. Press that other button as well.
Which
The
button?
little silver one down there. Right. Now remember what I said a little while ago when you was doing that with your mum's house?
You said...
I said, if they want to stop, then that's nice of them, but they shouldn't stop. You shouldn't do that. You should just go round
Yeah.
to clear the road, yeah?
Yeah.
Because you took too long to do it, it's not your fault. You looked right, he was letting us go. You were happy he was letting us go. You looked, no, you looked left to do that. Then you looked right to make sure it was clear, yeah?
Yeah.
And by the time he did that, he had enough of waiting, so he decided he wanted to move off as you were pulling out, yeah?
Yeah.
So he stopped to let us go, then changed his mind, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't stop to let someone go because it confuses them. All the stress is on you then, yeah? It was up to you to get out fast and you didn't go fast enough for him, so we got upset and he got impatient and he didn't want to wait.
You even said thank you.
I know. But that's what you've got to watch out for, people like that. See, because you thought, okay, he's letting me go. If you're looking to the right and he decides to change his mind as you're pulling out, that's your fault, yeah?
Yeah.
So you've got to watch out for dicks like that.
So say we was going to go right again, so you would look?
Oh, okay. Somebody else might learn from this as well, so I'll save this one. Look, you look right.
Yeah.
There's no one coming from that way, okay?
Yeah.
So, we're good to go over this roundabout. Yeah, we're indicating right.
So would you...
Now, this is the second roundabout. What's coming from the right?
Nothing
yeah?
at the moment.
Nothing at the moment. So we can go over this roundabout, okay? There's two separate ones. You go over the first one, you're clear.
So if there's something coming from the our right, that's going to go
We'll-
past us. We got to stop on that first roundabout.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Because you're giving way to people coming round the second roundabout, yeah?
Yeah,
If they're
right.
give way lines, yeah, they mean you got to give way. So, the roundabout, you give way to the right.
Yeah.
So anyone coming round, like, I'm going to go back up and do it again.
Yeah.
Anyone coming from the way we did a minute ago, which I'm going to do in a second,
Yeah.
you have to give way to them on that second one, yeah? So like with this one, obviously you look to the right, yeah?
Nothing coming. You're safe
Nothing
to
there,
go.
we're good. We're going to go all the way round this one.
And
So
he has to wait.
He has to wait, because you can see us indicating, you can see us going round,
Yeah.
right? That's how you do it. Now, which way did you want to go?
So if we was going right, down there.
Right. So, again, you look to the right, yeah? You look all the way up there, there's nothing at all coming, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, I can't see past that lorry, so I'm going to stop. There's a car there now, right? So I'm going to wait for him. Right?
Yeah.
Now, we're going round the roundabout, they should wait for us.
Oh, so you don't go over that second round?
No, because it's two separate roundabouts.
Right, okay.
If you wanted to come straight up here from there, you use, like, roundabout number 2, or 1 from where we were,
Yeah.
yeah? And then you just go round.
Right, okay.
We're going to do it the other way as well, so we've done it from all directions then.
Oh, okay. If you would go right then, because then you got to use both roundabouts then, yeah?
I think so. Maybe we'll go to find out, because I've
We'll
never
go
gone
right.
right. So you wouldn't go up there,
No, you
because
have to go
that's
round.
stupid, right? So you go round the first one.
Right,
Okay?
now they're coming from the left, so we have to
No,
wait.
no.
Oh, no, it's right,
We
innit?
look all the way up there, make sure nothing's coming from this road,
Yeah.
right? Because there's nothing to be coming from behind us, unless they've got it wrong. If they got it wrong, then that's their fault, not ours.
Right, yeah, okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Does that make sense now?
Yeah, it does.
So, if you want to go straight on,
Yeah.
you keep to the left of that island in the middle, yeah?
Yeah.
That one with the lamppost on, the big one, yeah? You
Yeah.
keep to the left of that, and you go up there, okay?
Okay.
And then you go round that way. If you want to go right, there's a little mini roundabout here.
Yeah.
We just do this. Yeah? You don't need to go all the way round, because that's going to be hard. Yeah?
Right, yeah,
You go
okay.
all the way round and then up here, that's going to be a pain in the ass. So,
Wouldn't it just be easier to have one big roundabout there?
you would think. You would think that. But the knobhead who designed it thought he was being funny, I think. The same as when they put 2 bus stops opposite each other,
Oh, yeah.
and then you get 2 buses blocking the road. That's incompetence, that is. The man who designed that was probably off his tits.
Honestly,
Seriously, what is it with Megans and falling asleep in
How do I slow down?
The brake.
the break.
Gently.
the brake thing?
Whoa,
It's the
whoa,
thing
whoa,
that
whoa,
you need
not
to
that one,
stop.
not
Not that one! Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Maybe it's fun if you want it, Benji. Really? Wow,
Really?
Ben.
Really? Fucking idiot.
I think you need to buy a truck that is not ugly.
This is not ugly, Terence. This is a sexy truck. Look at that.
No.
Yeah,
you're not
it kinda
passing me.
just
You're not
looks
passing
like
me.
a-
Stay there. Stay behind.
It looks like a backwards box.
You saying that's
I
not
don't know.
sexy? Look at that.
It's not nice. And you hit a car.
No, he's trying to overtake me.
But you hit him.
No, I blocked him.
Bench should be able to help.
Oh fuck. So I don't want to be like, 6 hours into a job. Oh fuck, I stalled. I don't want to be like 6 hours into a job.
Stop.
There's some really tight sleeping spaces, especially when you got this on the back.
Oh yeah.
I think if I just
That should be fine.
park the truck, like the trailer outside. Really?
Dickhead! Are you driving through it? You're just watching it get tortured by all the truck. Benji, I've never seen you have such a big load in your life.